Celebration. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. There's a party going on right here. A celebration till after the year. There'll be a good time and your laughter too. We're gonna celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Yeah, yeah. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! Come on! Woo-hoo! It's a celebration.
Pare, may kwento ko lang puyat ako kasi nanood ako ng Music Up Late Live, yung closing program natin every night. Guest ng Razorback, pare. Pero, syempre, pakilala natin ang nagpasaya sa ating umaga, ang Overload. Curious lang ako ngayon, sir. Lupit ng hairdo mo, sir.
I like your hair.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, talikod ko, sir. Pakita natin. Parang tagal gawin yan, no? Ayan.
Usually, gano'ng katagal yung ganyan?
Mga 30 minutes, ganun. 15 minutes.
Overload.
Pero matagal na to.
Overload. Sir, saan nyo naman nakuha yung pangalan ninyo na Overload?
Ang history niyan ang band leader ko nagbigay ng pangalan sa amin.
Ayan.
Drummer, si OG.
Ayun.
Ayan, at gaano katagal naman po kayong tumutugtog na?
9 years na.
9 years
10 years na yan.
Ayun.
Matagal na.
Okay, syempre, imbitahin natin ang mga kapamilya natin kung saan tayo mapapanood.
Alright, you can watch us in our regular gig in Olongapo City every Monday at Brad's Bistro, every Sunday and Tuesday at Willis Concert Bar, and every Saturday at Sam's Pizza. At syempre, every Thursday and Friday here at Dagupan Music Warehouse, Dagupan. Thank you so much.
Ayan, natutulog pa ba kayo nilagay na yan?
Wala pa nga kaming tulog dahil dito.
Pansin ko nga, may gig kayo kagabi.
Okay, so saan ba yung mga kasama natin?
Ayun. So, para sa ilan pang informasyon, narito naman sila Cory Quintos.
Okay! Woo! All alone! Give it up! Turns up, make it pop. Did you blow my speakers up too loud? I'm a fight to the city, so tick-tock on the clock, but the party's on something. What's up, make it pop. Did you blow my speakers up too loud? I'm a fight to the city, so tick-tock on the clock, but the party's on something.